You're gonna love the 2020 Ford F-250. You deserve a ride that was designed with your needs in mind. The time is right to take advantage of the technology, performance, and creature comforts this vehicle has to offer. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, navigation system, electronic stability control, Bluetooth, trip computer, steering wheel controls, power windows, cruise control, ABS, four-wheel disc brakes. Smooth, sporty style was never so smart. See for yourself when you take a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.